Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, where we bring you honest, no-nonsense product reviews to help you make the best purchasing decisions. Today we're looking at the Oster Blend Active Portable Blender with Drinking Lid, a compact yet powerful personal blender that promises convenience and efficiency. Whether you're blending smoothies, protein shakes, or healthy drinks, this portable device claims to have everything you need to create nutritious beverages wherever life takes you. So does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. The Oster Blend Active is a USB-chargeable personal blender designed with convenience in mind. It's perfect for anyone who wants to blend on the go, whether you're at the gym, at work, or traveling. The battery lasts for up to 10 blended drinks on a single charge, making it ideal for those with busy, on-the-move lifestyles. The blender comes with a sleek 10-ounce BPA-free Triton cup, which is both durable and odor-resistant. It's topped off with a silicone sleeve that provides a non-slip grip, so you don't have to worry about it slipping out of your hands while you're on the move. The added bonus? The separate drinking lid makes it easy to sip your blend right from the cup, eliminating the need for extra containers. The Oster Blend Active is powered by a stainless steel blade that promises to slice through frozen fruits like berries with ease. It also blends nutritional powders and supplements smoothly, ensuring no clumping in your drinks. The blender is designed to handle softer fruits in your smoothies, offering a smooth texture with minimal effort. With intuitive one-touch controls, it's simple to operate, whether you're preparing a smoothie or just mixing up a quick shake. Safety-wise, the blender includes a magnetic design that ensures the blades will only run when the lid is securely in place, preventing any accidents. Now let's talk about how this blender holds up in real-world usage. Setting it up is incredibly simple. Charge it up, screw on the blending cup, and you're good to go. I decided to put it to the test by blending some frozen strawberries, a scoop of protein powder, and a bit of water to see how it handled tougher ingredients. The result? A perfectly smooth shake. The blade powered through the frozen fruit, and there were no clumps of powder left behind. The blender also did well with softer ingredients, giving me a nice, creamy smoothie without much effort. The one-touch controls really live up to their promise, offering a hassle-free experience when you're on the go. However, no product is without its downsides. While the blender performs well, it does have a smaller capacity at 10 ounces, which might not be enough for larger servings if you're blending for multiple people or need a more substantial drink. Additionally, while the magnetic safety feature is a great design choice, it does require you to be extra mindful about ensuring the lid is properly secured before blending. It's not a major issue, but if the lid isn't on just right, the blades won't engage. When it comes to value for money, the Oster Blend Active falls into an affordable price range for a portable blender. Considering its features, including the USB charging, portable design, and solid blending performance, it offers good value for those looking for convenience in their daily routine. While it's not going to replace a full-size blender for larger quantities, it's perfect for personal use and small servings. If you're someone who just needs a quick, portable blender for smoothies or protein shakes, this could be the right fit for you. Now, if we compare it to other portable blenders on the market, there are a few alternatives to consider. The NutriBullet Go and the Magic Bullet Mini are both solid options in this category. However, the Oster Blend Active stands out for its magnetic safety design, USB charging, and unique drinking lid. The other models may perform similarly in terms of blending power, but they don't have the added convenience of the drinking lid or the same level of safety features that Oster offers. In terms of build quality, the Oster Blend Active is fairly robust. The Triton cup is durable and should hold up well over time, especially if you're using it for everyday use. The silicone sleeve adds a nice touch, providing both comfort and grip. However, the overall build does feel lighter than some more heavy-duty blenders, which is great for portability, but may make it feel less premium to some users. Still, for its intended purpose as a portable personal blender, the construction is solid and reliable. Customer support for Oster is generally responsive, and they have a reputation for handling any issues promptly. I haven't had to contact them directly for this particular blender, but based on the brand's overall customer service track record, you can expect quick responses if anything goes wrong with your unit. In terms of updates, since this is a basic, non-smart blender, there are no firmware or software updates to speak of. This is something to keep in mind. If you're looking for a more high-tech blender with app integration or advanced features, you'll need to look elsewhere. To wrap it up, the Oster Blend Active Portable Blender is a great choice if you're after a compact, convenient blender that works well for small servings and everyday use. Its USB charging, portability, and ease of use make it ideal for people who are always on the go. It might not be for those who need to blend large quantities or tackle tough, high-volume jobs, but for personal smoothies and shakes, it performs admirably. So if you're looking for a reliable personal blender that delivers on its promises without taking up too much space, the Oster Blend Active is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this review, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on our future reviews. The link to grab the Oster Blend Active can be found in the comments box below. If you already own one, let us know what you think in the comments. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, keep blending and stay active, only with Reviews Inside TV.